we were doing a show in California, and some folks from Google came, and I'm thinking, what can we sell Google? And anyway, we started talking to them, and they asked where we were at, and we said, well, we're in southeastern Indiana, and that kind of gave us a lot of credibility because they're saying, look, well, you're I like to use the term the Silicon Valley of manufacturing, because this it's all here. It's not all this kind of facility. This doesn't exist in a lot of places, and it's right in our backyard. As well as some of our other suppliers that they're like next door. When you get away from the Midwest, that becomes not the case. So being pretty flexible and having a lot of good suppliers and a lot of opportunities for testing and just verifying, we're in a prime area.
Without question. You've got some of these old line foundries like Morris Bean and Company, or Ross Casting and Aluminum, which a spinoff was Ross Casting and Innovation. These guys are really specialized in making some high quality type of castings, whether it's through low pressure permanent mold or plaster cast. So there is certainly a core of those type of customers in our area. And that's why RTA likes this business around here, because it is the unusual alloys that we supply to some of these people, like 354 or a low iron C350 5.2.